loosen up the hips with some circle movements, and definitely warm up the wrists before we do some hand balancing and a lot of sun salutations. We're going to do a lot of down dogs on this practice. So going right into it, basic gentle sun salute A. And I say gentle because we lower down to our belly and build up to a cobra pose before we go to up dog. You know, obviously some super secret movements that are also missed in the speed frame video. And then sun salute B variations. This is a gentle lower sun salute B variation, minding our heart rate. That's when you see us pause in the standing pose when we just stand at the front of the mat. We're checking our heart rate. It's amazing what you can do pushing your blood around with these stretching breathing movement systems. And now how to use the block for standing poses: triangle pose, side angle pose. This is how open the pelvis, warrior one. Active hip openers. And bringing it to the mat. I love these down dog, three-leg dog variations. Tailbone balance is really useful for resetting the hamstring muscles. And again, it's in the cueing, the precision of the cueing and the rhythm of the speech as you breathe that helps to activate the muscles. And I benefit myself from the cues. I'm saying the cues to myself when I practice yoga. It helps me talk with my body. And finally, some deeper explanations on the crow pose. Now we're cooling it down. Twisting, back bending, inversion. This is getting the blood to the head and resetting the rest of the body. And today we conclude with some seated cross-legged pose, Talasana to reset the neck, and gentle breathing meditation before Shavasana.